how to create an animated GIF with the camera on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the camera application, or in the App Store, you can also open up the camera application. Next, we tap on the quick controls button right here. So you want to tap on it and then tap on the settings icon. Now in the camera settings, go down to the pictures section and then tap on swipe shutter button 2. And from here, tap on create GIF. Then we go back and then we go back again to the camera. Now to create the GIF image, all you have to do is simply hold down the button like this. In here you can see the camera is counting up. So here we can try again. In this GIF image, it will create 30 frames. And here you can view the image. If you like, you can tap on the edit button to modify the image. So here you can swipe across and manually insert any other image that you want. You can delete certain image. So let's say if this image in here you do not want to include, you can tap on the delete button. And you can also tap on the cut button to cut out part of the animated GIF length. And then just finish that. Here you can also insert images. So here I can insert the image into my GIF. And down here you can also crop on your pictures. So I can make a crop. You can use the preset size. This is the original size, custom, 1:1. Here we can switch it to vertical or horizontal. You can also increase the speed of your GIF as well. So this is a lot faster, slower. And you can also insert stickers as well, or drawings. So here we'll put a date on and then drag it to the corner and then tap on saved. And that's it. So that is how you can create an animated GIF and how you can edit it afterwards using the camera on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.